Good morning, day 15. Chilly morning this morning. Check my thermometer here. Oh, it's up to 51. It was in the 40s when I got going this morning. Can you hear that noise? I looked out over the trees. I'll show you. I look out over the trees and I don't see where the equipment is, but somewhere out there. I'll make a guess that somebody's building a road. I don't see like logging going on, so probably road building, I don't know. It's one thing with this trail, and if I continue, there's Lake Superior. This trail, while you are in the woods, feels like deep in the woods. You are right on the edge of civilization. The north shore of Lake Superior in Minnesota is very popular tourist. There's plenty of people that live up here. So the trail, being that it follows the lake, is right there on the edge of it all. They do a really good job of keeping the trail away from most of the roads. You'll cross dirt roads, that's pretty common everywhere you go, I think. Everywhere I've gone anyhow. But you do hear machinery and semis driving on a highway and so on, so you know that you are, let's see if I can climb this rock one-handed, you know that you're not far from civilization. This is really interesting to me. It looks like this must absolutely rage at some times of the year, probably in the spring. But now, I don't know if the water's even moving. But it's wide, it's deep. That's pretty wild. I haven't done much video today. It's been looking like potential rain a good share of the day. Every now and then the sun would pop through the clouds. That was always great to see, but most of the time it looked like it might rain. So I just had my rain pants on, I left them on. What that means is my phone, which is what I use to video, is inside and locked in by my hip belt on my backpack. So if I was gonna take a video, I'd have to stop and unhook my hip belt and fiddle with the phone, whatever. Just excuses. I've also been pretty low energy today. Not sure if it's just the culmination of several longish days, or if it's because it rained on me yesterday. I was a little soggy this morning getting up. Chilly day today, in the low 50s most of the day. So maybe just a bunch of things adding up to keep my energy level low. But big milestone today. We got to, here goes the trail, closed. All right, I'll have to read about this, see where I'm supposed to go. Anyhow, hit mile 100 today, 100 miles remaining. So that means I'm looking at, well, we're gonna stay, I got 10 miles from 100. We're gonna stay at campsite mile number 90 tonight. And that means, to me, that's on the order of 5 days. Could be 6, certainly won't be 4. I'm thinking 5 is probably the most likely number of days remaining for me tonight, and 2 others in the wilderness, a night in Duluth, a night at Spirit Mountain seems to be in the cards, and then to the terminus. So that's what I'm looking at. I will probably be done for tonight with video and check in again tomorrow.